The topic of today's video is how to add Sui Wallet extension to Mrs. Browser. I hope I'm saying that correct. So here we are on Mrs. Browser, and what you want to do is go down to the puzzle icon over here, and that'll open up extensions. And then you want to click on extensions again. And in here, you want to go to the three stripes on the top left and click on Web Store. And here in the Web Store, we just want to click on the search bar over here, double tap to zoom in, and then just type in Sui Wallet, the full name. And once you are done, click enter. And then if we scroll down here, you'll see Sui, and we want to click add to Chrome. Click OK. And now once it's done loading, it'll be added, and you want to close two of your open tabs. And on the remaining tab, you just want to click on extensions, and then you will have Sui Wallet, and you can click on that. It'll open up. You can add your existing wallet or create a new one. That is fully up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.